Typewise Custom Keyboard. Typewise isn't technically a new app. However, version 3.0 of the app introduced very dramatic changes to the keyboard layout and app functionality. The new layout is a honeycomb shape. Additionally, the keyboard isn't in its usual QWERTY layout. There is a bit of a learning curve and people will scale that curve in different amounts of time. In terms of typing, it's relatively comfortable once you get used to it, but again, it does take a bit to get used to. We would have liked it if it contains more aggressive auto-correction. However, it's nice to see something different in the keyboard space again. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.